Hello, hi, my name is Zylo Marshall. I am coming to you, going through a lawsuit against my aunt on an estate in possibly excess of $80 million. I was disinherited from my grandfather's estate. Alan Haymes, he passed away in September 2010. Um, and we filed a lawsuit, I think, in November 2010. That's when my attorney filed the lawsuit. And he resigned in May of 2012. Since then, I've been representing myself pro se in West Palm Beach, Florida. I live in Sacramento, California, which means I have to file motions and so on and so forth while living in California and doing it in Florida, which require me to fly back and forth. I'm coming to you because I need to file another lawsuit, but I can't do it without proper legal counsel. I don't have any money, any funds. Dr. Dinadale, who's my trustee, he gave me money to contest the will, and he has chose to no longer pay my legal fees. I lost that case on will terminology, but the order said I could go after the trust, which that is what I'm going to do. But I need legal help to do that. I've gone on Facebook. Many people thought this was a scam. It's not a scam. From 2005 till 2010, I was a realtor, working hard on creating a business on properties with code violation properties. And that all had to be stopped because of this lawsuit in 2010. So in essence, I haven't been working in 5 years. But I have filed motions and responses and all the things that the opposing counsel has done. I've just copied and pasted what they said in my own words, added a few words, and that was my response. But since this big law firm chose to defend somebody on the basis of fraud, they produced a forged document. They knowingly produced a forged document to disinherit me, a disabled person. Sadly, they chose to do this in a fraudulent way, and that's where we are with that. So I lost that case. So I'm coming to you guys looking for financial assistance. 10, 20, 30, 40 bucks. Something to help me, and I can give you guys all the information about where it's going. All of that. Got no problem with that. So I have a website, GoFundMe.com, and it describes what I'm going through and what I need. And there aren't any attorneys that will take this in contingency because of the language in the trust. The language says I can go after the trust. The language in the court order. The court order says I can go after the trust. If it didn't say that, I could do tortious interference, but I can't because it allows me to go after the trust. With that said, here I am. Going to you guys for financial assistance to help pay for this. I can provide any information you guys need to prove my validity on this. And that's where we are with that. Mom passed away in 1989. She was murdered in cold blood. So that's another situation in my life. I have a brain injury from 1976. Dr. Dinadale is helping me with my previous lawsuit. Now he no longer is helping me. My trustee is no longer helping me in this situation. That is very sad. He knows I have nobody. I have my own family. Great. Great. But I'm living on $1,000 a month while my aunt is sitting at $80 million. Okay, I don't have the exact amount. I don't know how much it is, but I have evidence and circumstantial evidence showing that there is a larger amount outside the trust than there is in the trust. So with all that said, if you guys have any questions on Facebook, ask me. Don't be afraid to ask me. And if that's great, you can help me, that's great. If not, then I appreciate you looking at this. And, but I do need help. There's a statute limitation, of which, if I go past that, I'm barred from filing another lawsuit, which means I get nothing. Zero. Zero. And there is tons of documents through discovery that I received describing me as disturbed, as somebody who has severe emotional issues, which is not true. Undue influence of my aunt, lack of mental capacity of my grandfather. All these things point to the conclusion that my aunt abused my grandfather. Okay, financial exploitation, embezzled funds, tax evasion, false partnerships. I mean, the list can go on and on and on. And because I don't have legal knowledge, I wasn't able to properly represent myself in the issue. So if you can help me, great. And I thank you very much. You have a wonderful day. Thanks.